How y'all doing today? I'm Kajana.
And I'm Creola.
Together we are the Creoljun Contessas.
We're sisters, creating, preparing, and sharing Creole and Cajun-inspired recipes that our mama taught us.
Using a cooking style we call good lovin' from the oven. Now let's get started.
Growing up along the bayous and within the wooded rural areas of Louisiana, the Cajuns and Creoles were known for their hunter-gatherer lifestyles and the raising of animals for food.
Hogs were one such animal, meaning we were in the know about the other white meat decades ago.
Long time ago.
Pork was often used for breakfast, lunch, and supper time meals.
Yep. So today we're making a scrumptious ultimate BLT that can be enjoyed as a breakfast, lunch, or supper time meal.
So let's get started on our Tangipahoa candied BLT with spicy aioli.
And here you have it, straight from the bayou. Our candied BLT with spicy aioli. Yes, indeed. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating.
If you like this video and want to see how to make more Cajun and Creole yummies, please subscribe and like. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos, and don't forget to visit our website, Pinterest, and Instagram at the Creoljun Contessas. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.